They always said the first stage was the most critical. That is the stage where they had to tease this 114,000-ton vessel off an underwater reef, a sloping reef with two granite spurs skewered into the hull. So they are excited by the way it's going so far. They've tilted the boat something like 3 degrees. Now, that's very obvious if you look just above the waterline. You can see an ever-growing band of dirt, previously sunken areas of the hull of the ship now being exposed, and that indicates that they are indeed slowly but successfully rotating this ship on to its vertical in an operation they reckon will take something like 10 to 12 hours. It's called power buckling. Let me talk you through the technicals of it all. What happens is that more than 50 steel chains have been fixed to the side of the ship. They pass underneath and attach to towers on the shore side to anchor it in place. A series of enormous tanks have been welded onto the side. They will be filled with water, and the weight will help to pull the ship upright. These cables, which are attached to the top of the tanks, will do most of the pulling. They're attached to an underwater platform. Floating cranes will then be used to weld more tanks onto the other side of the ship, which will eventually help to refloat it next spring sometime. A barrier around the ship will help to protect the area from nearly 30,000 tons of polluted water expected to pour from the ship when it's pulled upright, unleashing everything from fuel to rotten fish.